how to maintain a healthy life-work balance. Hi, I'm Dr. Ruhi Sabija. I'm a psychiatrist and a therapist, and today I'm going to teach you a few techniques that you can use to start having a balance between your work life and your own personal life. Start with setting boundaries. Now, what does that mean? First of all, define clear timelines for your work and personal time and do not blur it. If you have decided that you are going to work between 9 to 5, then you stop your laptop and your phone and leave it in your office or your workspace so that you do not feel that urge to pick up the laptop and check the emails. Second, have physical boundaries. That means do not take your work to your bed. There should be a separate workstation where all the things that you require for your work should be positioned, and it should not move around in your house. The third is firm boundaries and learning to say no. Often for the need of validation and getting that extra validation from the office workers, we tend to overgo. We tend to overdo the work that is not required sometimes. So have that tendency of saying no a lot. You need to learn how to prioritize in life. Whatever you want to do, you need to divide it between urgent and important and prioritize the task based on the timeline that you have available for that day. The next thing, which is very important, is having breaks. We often get into the flow and continue to overburden us with the work till the time we get stressed or burnt out. Refrain from that habit. Have that habit of taking frequent breaks. Even if it is a 5 minutes of mindfulness break, it's absolutely okay. But take frequent breaks and do something that is relaxing. You can do a certain breathing technique, you can go for certain mindfulness practices, progressive muscle relaxation, or even a simple glass of water which is taken very slowly and peacefully. Apart from that, it is very important to understand that every day will be different. Every day will demand a different level of commitment to the work. So, compensate on the other day. If for some reason today you had to overwork, make sure you do not lose out on your family time, and the next day or the coming week, compensate for the time that you have taken away from your family life and commit to doing certain things with your family members to create those memories and happy moments. I hope this helps.